Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Harmony. I upload a video pretty much every single day. Sometimes I miss a day just because I can't get it up until really late. I don't really have a bunch of people who are expecting a video from me every day, so I don't feel as bad when I don't upload. I try to upload a video every single day. Let's just jump into the video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm doing the TMI tag. I don't know if you guys are getting sick of the tags that I've been doing, but I've been doing about one tag a week. I don't really care, but I thought that this would be a fun tag so you guys can get to know me just a little bit better than you already do. If you guys want to see my other tag videos that I've done, I will link them down below so you guys can see and check those out if you're interested, and if not, then don't watch them. I don't really care. So today I'm going to be doing the TMI tag, which is just obviously too much information tag. I don't know all the questions that are going to be on here, so let's just see. So the first question is, what are you currently wearing? I'm wearing this shirt right now. It's just a regular plain black t-shirt that my friend Yeshi, she like started a clothing company. I don't know what ever happened to that. What happened to that girl? Because this shirt is comfortable. But it just says ethnic, you know, I'm ethnic. Just kidding. And I'm wearing pajama bottom. Number 2, have you ever been in love? Yes, I have been in love. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I've ever been in love. Because if it was true love, wouldn't it last? I don't know. I'm not sure. I thought I was in love. Does that count? 3, did you ever have a terrible breakup? I sure did. I don't think that any breakup is like a great breakup. But yeah, I've had a terrible breakup in my time. Or how old are you? I'm 23 years old. How tall are you? I'm 5'2". How much do you weigh? I weigh 150 pounds. And how many piercings do you have? I have my belly button, my nose, and my ears. I have 5 in my ears. Do you have any tattoos? I have 3 tattoos. I have this one right here on my wrist. I have one on my side and then one on my foot. What is your favorite drink? I like coffee. I guess water would be my favorite drink. That's like, can't live without it, so I guess water. What's your favorite song? At the moment, I would say that my favorite song is, I think Yes Indeed by Drake is my favorite song right now. The dash is busy, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. I love that song, so that would probably be my favorite song. What's your zodiac sign? I'm an Aquarius. How long does it take you to shower? Well, I'm sure like every other girl, there's 3 types of showers. There's one where you're shaving, washing your hair, deep conditioning your hair, and that shower for me takes about an hour. If I'm just going to like shower for the day and stuff, it'll take me about 10 to 15 minutes. If I'm going to be showering and washing my hair and like shaving my legs and stuff and just like the basics but a little bit more, it takes me about 20 to 25 minutes. So it just depends. I can also take a 5-minute shower if I need to. What is your favorite show? My favorite show is Friends. I love that show so much. It's always gonna be my favorite show, even though it hasn't been on in years. It's always my favorite show. Something that you really miss. I miss living on my own a lot. Where do you go when you're sad? When I'm sad, I like to go to the beach or the gym. Let out some steam, but I really like going to the beach. It hasn't really been that nice outside yet, so I'm excited for summer so I can go to the beach more often. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Well, same thing. There's different levels. If I'm in a hurry, I can get ready in 5 to 10 minutes. If I'm gonna be like taking my time, and I can take my time, it'll take me about an hour. But I would say just on average, if I'm just like getting ready, it takes me about 30 minutes. Also depends on if Elijah's there because I have to get him ready too. So I'm like getting him ready and getting myself ready, and that is a little bit harder. But yeah, I would say about 30 minutes. And have you ever been in a physical fight? No, I've never been in a physical fight. What turns you on? I would say something that turns me on about guys is guys that know what they want. If a guy shows me that he is all about me and he likes me and is like there for me, that's a turn on to me. What's a turn off? A turn off is when people switch up. I don't like that when people act one way in front of people and act a different way, and that's just in general, that's just like a turn off to me. If you're a type of person that you act one way in front of one person and then act a completely different way in front of another person, it's hard for me to trust you because I don't know how you really are, you know? Does that make sense? Quality you look for in a partner, a friend. And that might sound stupid, but I think that your partner should be your best friend, because if you don't have friendship as the foundation, I just pulled my hair. If you don't have friendship as the foundation of your relationship, it's probably not going to work, because you really need to be friends with someone in order to live with them, in order to do things as a team, in order to live life. You need to be friends. So I would say I would look for someone who can be a good friend to me. What's your favorite color? Pink is my favorite color, but I'm not 15 anymore. Like, I would never paint my room pink. So in that aspect, I'd say I like neutral colors, black, gray, white, gold. When I get my apartment, the whole theme of it is going to be black, white, gray, and gold. Can't wait. Loud or soft music? Both. Depends on my mood, depends on what I'm feeling, depends on, you know, what I'm going through. Just depends. Favorite quote. This quote honestly is very relevant to my life at the moment. So I read this quote all the time as a reminder to myself. How people treat you is their karma. How you react is yours. This quote really just reminds me that just because someone is treating you a certain way does not mean that you, for one, deserve it, and does not mean that you need to reciprocate that meanness, you know? Karma is going to get them. Karma is real, and karma does its job, and it works when it's supposed to work. You can't force karma. That's something that I've learned. You cannot force it. It will happen when it happens. But if someone is treating you bad and treating you like crap and doing things to you that are hurting you, if you don't react in a negative way and you just take it and just be nice, that's your karma. You're not going to get affected for how someone else is treating you. So that's my favorite quote. Favorite actor? Well, actress. My favorite actress is Jennifer Aniston. I love her so much. I love everything about her. All the movies she's in, I just love her. The reason I joined YouTube, well, I started watching YouTube videos and I wanted to get better at makeup. I started watching YouTube videos. I was like, oh my gosh, people really just like film themselves doing makeup. I thought it was so cool. I was going to college at the time and I was doing online because I was pregnant. So I would, this is so bad, I would spend my financial aid money instead of like on things that I needed for school. I would spend it on makeup, and then I would watch makeup tutorials and I would practice doing makeup. So yeah, school is not for me. That's the reason I started YouTube, was because I was obsessed with it from the second I started watching it. Do you have any fears, and what are they? Honestly, to be honest with you guys, 100% honest, me to you guys, my biggest fear is YouTube. I know that sounds stupid, and I love doing it, but I'm honestly really scared for hate. I know that that's stupid. I know that that's what it comes with that, and I know, but so far I have not really gotten any hate, and like from people on the internet. I've gotten hate from other people, but I've never gotten actual like hate comments. So that really scares me, and also I get scared of what people I know think when they watch my videos. So it's hard for me to not be myself, but sometimes I feel like I'm not really 100% myself because I'm so worried about what people are going to say and what people are going to think. And I'm really starting to learn to just not care and just be myself and do what I love to do. And so, yeah. What's the last thing that made you cry? The last time I cried, like actually cried, was the day before Mother's Day, and it was at night. And Elijah was sleeping and I was on my computer. I found all these pictures from when I was pregnant and when he was born and when he was a little baby, and I was just looking at all of them and I was just bawling my eyes out because I could not believe how fast the time has gone. He's almost 5 years old, and I was like, oh my gosh, he's so big now. He was so little and it just flew by. So I just got really emotional. I get emotional looking at pictures of him when he was a baby because it just brings back so many memories. Meaning behind your YouTube name. Well, my name. It's just my name. So last time you said you love someone, I told my mom I love her last night. So I guess my mom. But last time I like told a guy that I loved him was my ex-boyfriend, and that was 2 years ago. So it's been a long time since your girl's been in love. I don't even remember what it feels like. Last book you read. This is the last book that I read. It's called The Secret Life of Water, and it's basically about vibrations in the world and how everything is tied together. And it's a really, really good book, and I highly recommend anyone to read it. The book you are currently reading, I'm not currently reading a book right now. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know so I can start reading some books. Last show you watched. I was watching 13 Reasons Why. If you don't know what that show is about, it's about basically a girl who committed suicide and the reasons why she did it. You just have to watch it. I relate to the show a lot because I was bullied in middle school and high school, and I have seen how suicide can affect people's lives regardless of the situation. This girl was bullied and felt like there was the only way out, and suicide is a very, very strong topic in my life, and I would love someday to bring more awareness to suicide because it's real, and just because people feel a certain way does not make them any less of a person. If you've ever felt any thoughts of suicide, or if you've ever felt low, or like the only way out or the only way that you can escape what you're feeling inside is suicide, just know that it's not. I promise you that you can make it through it, and you will get through it. Even if you feel in your mind like there's no other way out, I promise you there is. Problems are constantly changing, and they're always going to be changing. Just be strong and know that people who take their own lives, they do it because they feel like there's no other way out. And it's really, really unfortunate, but there are so many people who take their own lives every single day. And yeah, I just went off on a tangent about that question, but I've been watching 13 Reasons Why. If you haven't watched it, you should check it out because it's a pretty good show. Last place you were? My kitchen, making my coffee. Last sport you played? So I never played sports in high school. I'm not very coordinated when it comes to balls. I don't like things being thrown at me, so I cheered my whole life. If you say that cheer is not a sport, then I'm coming for you, because yes, it is 100% a sport. If you don't think that, that's because you've never cheered a day in your life. So I'm just saying. I played 2K. Does that count? Who's the last person you talked to? The last person I talked to was Yeshi. She called me earlier. Do you have a crush? I do not have a crush. The relationship between you and the last person you texted? Let's see who that was. The last person I texted was Lorena, and our relationship is, she's my best friend. Place you want to visit. Somewhere that I really, really, really want to go is Puerto Rico. I don't know why I feel like a calling to Puerto Rico. Last time you were insulted, Friday. Maybe not on purpose, but I felt offended. Insulted, whatever. Last one is, who should answer these questions next? I think that anybody who makes YouTube videos should do this, but I know a lot of people have already done it before, so I'm kind of late. So yeah, anybody who wants to put themselves out there more should do this video. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and hit the little bell notification so you can get updated every time I drop a new video. And if you guys like this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.